Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you my morning plan with me routine, and typically I do this whenever I'm about to plan, especially if I'm about to film. So the first thing that I do is like partially get dressed or all the way get dressed. I got all the way dressed today because I need to film a few videos that are face to face, and I normally brush my teeth, do my normal routine. Then I will turn on lights. I'll turn on the overhead lights and my lamp and my studio lights, a whole bunch of lights. And then I'll normally put on some lotion if my hands are super crusty and light a candle. And that candle is Cherry Frost from Bath and Body Works. I got it last Saturday on Candle Day. So I love to do that. I always do that. The next thing that I do is I find my phone or computer, whichever one is easily accessible, and go to Pandora and figure out what kind of music I want to listen to. Mainly I listen to gospel whenever I'm planning. Whenever I'm driving and doing other things like that, I tend to listen to different types of music. But normally if it's like a calming, relaxing setting, I will listen to gospel music. So I haven't filmed a plan with me in about a week and a half, and I have been doing a lot of Etsy work on my desk, and it is super dusty. So Michelle taught me to use a baby wipe to wipe off my desks, which I have like 10 of them, and it's a cool little trick. So I normally wipe off my desks, and then I will pull my little sticker cart close to me so I can have it readily available, and then I will go ahead, open my planner, just kind of eyeball the color scheme and just kind of think about what I want to use to plan with. Now, this week is going to be easy because I want to use Kita's new kit. And so that is what I'm going to be doing for this week. But sometimes I'll rummage through sticker books or sticker kits or whatever to kind of figure out. Again, I just got this one in the mail yesterday. It is a new kit from At Home with Kita's shop, Little Miss Fancy Plans, and so I just want to go ahead and use that, so it's pretty easy. The next thing that I'll do is I promise that I do rummage through my washi tapes and see if I can find some to match my kit or the aesthetic that I'm going for. And normally that never happens because I don't know. I try to use my washi because I have a decent amount. I don't have a whole lot, but I have a decent amount of washi. 3 drawers full, as you just saw, but I never really use it. But I do use washi in this video. I have another stash that I forgot about that I went to. And then the last thing that I do is I find my blankie because it's always cold, especially in the winter. And then I just hop right in it, you guys. So we are planning for the week of December the 10th through the 17th. Today is actually Saturday morning, December the 8th. So this is like real time right now. So anyhow, I find that sparkly washi. It's some thin washi, and I just decide to just go ahead and put it down to cover up those green lines, which I don't know how I feel about it, but that's what I did. So I had the epiphany that because this sticker kit was made for an Erin Condren vertical, I believe, or maybe a Happy Planner vertical, but either way, a vertical planner, I had an epiphany that I wanted to kind of use it. I wanted to use a lot of the full boxes. So I was like, well, I'm just going to use that whole right section as like a sidebar. The same kind of thing that I would, how, vertical planners, and there are sidebars and we kind of stack a lot of stickers over there and layer and, just to kind of make a cute little sidebar. Well, I decided that I was going to do that this week just so I could use more of the stickers and just kind of use the kit in its entirety. So that's what I decided to do. So that's a little trick that I discovered. I don't know if there are other people who do this. I don't know. I don't know a lot of people who plan horizontally, but I am trying to pave the way for myself. Now, I did cut down that sticker because it was going to hang over a little bit, and that would have greatly annoyed me. So I cut it down just a hair so that it would line up over there perfectly. And I do like the way that that looks. I didn't have any other thin washi outside of that sparkly crystal looking washi. So, I mean, probably if I had another type of thin washi, like just a regular magenta or pink or purple, that probably would have looked better. But I kind of just went with what I had. And it actually kind of went with the aesthetic of the sticker kit. I have been tracking no sugar because outside of a couple of times during the weekends, my husband and I only consume low carb to no carb meals. And so I like to track the days that I can go without sugar, because my goal is to go at least 5 days out of the week without sugar, which is Monday through Friday, which is pretty easy to do, or I've been doing it pretty easily. So anyhow, that's my goal. So I jump right in for Monday. On Monday, I am going to be working from home per usual. I need to ship orders. Today's Saturday. I have about 10 to 12 orders to fill, and I'm not going to get them filled by 1 o'clock, which is when the post office closes, and I can't ship them tomorrow on Sunday. So I have just been loving shipping orders on Monday. I also go to the gym with my personal trainer on Mondays. And then also Monday, okay, so fun fact about me, if you haven't picked up on this already, I absolutely love Lil Wayne. And it's really, I just call him Wayne, but I have to throw that out there for those who still call him Little Wayne. So anyhow, I love him. I've been to 10 or 11 concerts. I started going when I was like 20. So I've gone to like 2 and 3 a year sometimes. Anyhow, he's announcing his tour on Monday, and I'm here for it. I will be breaking the budget and probably buying front row tickets. Now that we manage our money like 200 million times better than before, I can afford front row tickets, and I will probably be getting those. So just so we're clear, Lil Wayne is my favorite. I absolutely love him, and I will be front row on Monday. Whenever those tickets go on sale, I will have 2 front row tickets, or a meet and greet if he does that anymore. He hasn't been on tour in a while, in my cart, and that's going to be that. So just want to go ahead and throw that out there. Anyway, over to the right, I have that Monday through Sunday tracker. I love tracking my YouTube related stuff over there. So I kind of try to map out the videos that I want to do, and I get the video ideas or suggestions, I guess, from my social media planner, and I just kind of transfer it over to my weekly planner. On Tuesday, of course, we have staff meetings, one at 11, one at 1:30, and that's pretty regular. I need to pick up our meals on Tuesday. We do have our low carb meals prepared for us. If you want to know my goal in life, which I'm actually going to be doing a video where I share with you guys my personal, professional, business, health, fitness goals, all of that, probably this upcoming week. I may film it today, but I plan to actually like bring in a housekeeper at some point, so I don't have to clean anymore, and my husband doesn't either, and an assistant, because life is getting pretty hectic over here. I'm like barely staying afloat, and I'm just kidding, but it is getting a little much, because I'm actually kind of afraid of 2019. I'm going to take it day by day, but I mean, it's a lot. I'm going to be a lot of places. Like, I'm not even available any weekend in January. Like, that it's real over here. Anyway, Tuesday, I'm meeting up with my personal trainer yet again. Getting to the gym to work out with my trainer is getting a little hectic too. I'm going to stick it out because that's important to me, but I'm limited in the days that I can go, and he is as well because of his full-time work schedule, because he only does personal training a few hours a day and not Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. That's getting a little bit hectic, but I've been going. And anyway, Wednesdays I've been weighing in, so I'm down about 9 pounds since we started doing the low carb thing in October, mid-October. So I'm happy about that. I guess I lose about a pound a week, so I'm cool with that. I don't have to do a whole lot to lose the weight. I mean, I just consume like no sugar or carbs, and I work out twice a week, possibly 3 times. So, I'm here for that. I do have some packages coming on Monday and Tuesday, so I used a bunch of those little boxes from Elaine Michelle Studio on Etsy. Michelle's shop, Elaine Michelle Studio on Etsy. We all know Wednesdays and Thursdays are pretty blah for me, so that is when I can do a little bit of decorating. Now, I did mark Thursday as a payday, which will be one of my husband's paydays. And then on Friday, you guys know that I am a mentor, so we're having a slumber party, y'all. It's from 8 p.m. on the 14th until 8 a.m. on the 15th. However, your girl can't hang, and I'm not even going to pretend like I can. Furthermore, I have to be at Walmart for a shopping trip that we're doing on Saturday. It's like a It's something that we do at our job, really, and my husband and I always volunteer. It's like a Christmas type of situation. So that Saturday morning, we have to be there at 6:30 a.m. So I can't stay the whole time of the slumber party anyway. So I used the little shopping bags to mark this shopping trip. I thought that was cute. And then later I find a little scale, which I just go ahead and throw it on Wednesday. But I wish I had found it sooner, but whatever. I love the weekend banner. And another thing that I want to note is that I do use the spaces over to the right as like another sidebar. I decided I was going to do it on both pages, on both sides of the spread for balance. That little like water brush swatch looking thing was super cute. I loved it. So I used it to mark that gym appointment, but I can't imagine that I'm going to make it to the gym after the shopping trip, but I might. So I remembered that electricity was due on the 15th, for which I just put that little sticker right there because normally it comes out overnight. And then I looked at my phone to see how much the bill was, which it's down to $88.50, which I'm here for that. Did you guys see my nails? Aren't they so cute? I feel like only rich people can afford to put the little bling on their nails. And I feel like I'm a part of some type of elite squad now that I have gems on my nails. It was E. Michelle's idea. But, I mean, obviously, why else would I put gems on my nails without the queen of nails suggesting that I do it? Anyhow, so anyway, I do feel like I'm some type of rich person with the little bling on my nails, but I'm sure it won't last long. Although I really like it. I think it's really cute. I did get my nails cut down too because they were getting out of hand. Anyway, what are we doing? Sunday, I don't really have a lot. I'll fill orders and design and do that kind of stuff. I am putting that Like a Boss sticker up at the top because I love adding little decor to the top part of the spread. I didn't have a whole lot of decor to add, so I just added that little stapler and that little pillow. Anyway, I am going in with the finishing touches. I'm not going to be adding too much more because I feel like I like to leave space for, plans that kind of pop up. But I was just rummaging through, making sure there was no sticker that I really, really loved because, honestly, I'm probably not going to use the kit anymore. I normally just put all of the stickers, in this little area where I put all of my scrap kits, and I normally don't go back into it. So that's why I like to kind of maximize, my kits and the stickers and stuff like that. And make sure I'm using all of the stickers that I really like. Is the habit tracker sticker super crooked, or is the whole page like crooked? You guys see what I'm seeing? Oh, it's crooked. Anyway, this is it, you guys. I don't do too much other than put down a few stickers here and there. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.